To help you stay on top of your health knowledge, we've put together 11 health-related facts that just might surprise you in 2 parts. Part 2. 5. If you are tired, exercise will help. If you are physically tired, exercise training will give you more energy than sitting. Studies have found that the blood and oxygen flow through the body will give you more energy and improve your mood after about 6 weeks of training. Also, the increase in endorphin levels can contribute to a feeling of well-being. 4. Cold temperatures can be good for your health. Colder temperatures help reduce allergies and inflammation, and research has shown that it can help you think more clearly and perform daily tasks better, and it increases lifespan in animal models. The cold can also reduce the risk of disease, and mosquitoes that carry diseases such as Zika, West Nile virus, and malaria are not around during the winter season. 3. Bananas can help improve your mood. A banana has approximately 30% of your daily needed vitamin B6. B6 helps the brain to produce serotonin, which is a mood stabilizer and helps you sleep and digest food. Eating a banana can help relieve depression and anxiety by stimulating the serotonin levels in your body. 2. Optimism may help you live longer. Studies have found that there is a correlation between increasing levels of optimism with decreasing levels of death from cancer, disease, infection, and stroke. Those who had the highest levels of optimism had an almost 40% lower risk of heart disease. 1. We can help slow down Alzheimer's and dementia by eating correctly. Eating heart-healthy foods may help to protect the brain. This includes eating oily fish, fruits, vegetables, eggs, nuts, and olive oil, while also limiting consumption of red meat and sugar. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.